In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a formula column to your list reports. You can use formula columns to calculate things like your total pay. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your report's enterprise or location selected, then click on Reports. Select the report you would like to add a formula column to. Once you arrive at your report, click the Edit button in the top right-hand corner. To add a function to this report, click Add next to Columns and choose Formula. If you don't want to add this column to your report, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now that formula has been added. I'm going to click on that formula. The first thing I want to do is I want to give this a new name. So I'm going to change it from FX to total pay. Then I need to give this formula a function to perform. So I will click in this box. I want to see the total hours for a shift times the wage that my employees get. So I already have hours added to my columns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type hours. That is telling TeamWork 5 to multiply that column, hours, by, we'll say 850. I do want to see my total pay column, so I'm going to leave it visible. Under Format, I want this to be formatted in the traditional way we view money. So I'm going to put a $0.000 to let TeamWork 5 know that's how I want these columns to be filled out. Then I will choose to align this to the right. I don't want a filter, but I am going to scroll down, and under Tally, I want to see the total sum of this whole report's pay. So to do that, I'm going to click the arrow next to Group and choose Sum, and I'm going to click the arrow next to Report and choose Sum. This will calculate the total pay for the whole report and show it at the bottom. If I want these changes to go into effect, I need to scroll up to the top of the page and choose Save. Now my changes have been saved. To view the report, I'm going to click View in the top right-hand corner. You can see the total pay column has been added on the right of the report. I'm seeing both the sum of each individual, and if I scroll all the way down, I'm seeing the sum of the total report. When I added the sum of the group, that added those first summaries of each person. When I added the sum of the report, that added the final line to the report. That's how you add a formula column to your report. To learn the different functions you can add to formulas in your report, go to your top menu bar and click on Help. Then choose Documentation. A new tab will open in your internet browser. Scroll down until you reach the category Enterprise Portal Help Documents. Under Report Resources, choose Column Formula Quick Reference. This page is a quick guide to creating your formulas. If I scroll down, you'll see it shows you what the different symbols do and how to put them together. To go back to TeamWork 5, go to the top of your browser and click the TeamWork 5 tab. That's how you can create reports with formulas. Check out the next video to learn how to copy and delete a list report.